Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today let's talk about how can we model a simple exercise inside onshape. So let's get right into it. Before starting the video, if you are new to my channel, so make sure to subscribe to the channel to be part of the conversation. Thank you. First, I will start the base flange by making it 170 and the extrusion is 30. I'll go for the sketch and choose this top surface. Press N on keyboard to make the view normal. I will pick a center point rectangle like this, and I'll go for the smart dimensions. This side is presents by 70, and this is 100. Okay, once you've done this, right click and go for the isometry. I'll go an extrusion of 30 as per given the dimension, and I will hit OK. Alright, that's what I can do. I will create a diameter of 40 at the middle of this top. I'll go for the sketch and make it normal. I'll go for a center point circle, and I will just create a diameter of 40, and I will hit OK, and I'll go for extrude. This time I want to remove this material, and you have to search through all. Okay, alright, the next thing what I can do is just to create a 20 millimeter thickness of wall, and I will be giving the height of 80 minus 30, which is 50. Okay, again I will choose this top surface and I'll go for the sketch, make it normal. I'll go for the corner point rectangle, and let me just coincide with this and go for the smart dimension and make sure this is 20. Alright, next what I can do, I'll give an extrusion of 50 for now, and that's it. Alright, once you've done this, the next thing is just to add this circular section. So I'll draw two circles and at a distance of 25 from the top surface, and I think this is exactly at the center. Right, so it's mean I'll be making this is 35. Alright, I'll go for the sketch, choose this face and make it normal. I'll draw the center point circles 1 and 2, and I'll make them according to the dimensions 40 and 20. This is 40, this is 20, and let me just make sure from here till here this is 25, and from here till here this is okay. Okay, I want to just go for the isometry, and if you look at here, this extrusion must be 40 because it's defined over here. I'll go for the extrude and select this section. See, and let me just define it 40, and that's it for all. And let me just go upward. You can just hide the unwanted planes. Even you want to hide the origin, you can. Alright, so this is all about today. Let's see you in the next tutorial. Thanks for watching.